Hello everyone, this is Jennifer from Junk Journals by Jen, where journaling is about the journey. If you are like me, your mind is full of gift-giving ideas this time of year, and today's craft will not only be crafty, but useful as a gift as well. Be sure to stick around until the end for a bonus useful tip, and let's get right to it. We're going to be making gift boxes today, and they're beautiful as well as useful. And to make this size of a box here, like I have in my hand, you need 2 pieces of 12 by 12 scrapbook paper. So just get 2 coordinating pieces, 2 that you like together. I had one that looked like this and then one that went with it. So pick out 2 pieces of paper and let me set these aside. Get my papers. And for the bottom, we're going to make the bottom first. I'm going to use this one. And after I do the bottom, I'll show you the instructions for it. So you can take a screenshot. And then after I show you how to make the top, I'll give you the instructions for the top so you can take a screenshot of that as well. Okay. And you might be wondering why I have so many boxes to show you. I had to practice quite a bit. And when I get to that point, I'll share my struggles with you. So you really only need a couple things for this. You need a piece of scrap paper and a bone folder. Now it doesn't have to be 12 by 12 inches. That's just what I used to make that size. You can make any size box you wanted. This little one, this was made with a 7 by 7 inch paper. So what you do is, I did say a bone folder, right? You take your paper, you put the side that you want not showing up, that's that side, and you fold it away from you in half. Then you crease it. Open it up and do that again. Fold it in half and crease it. Okay. Open it up again. And so you've got 2 folds. Now you're going to see a little square here. You're going to take your first corner and fold it into the center. And then use your bone folder on the edge. Flip it around and do your second corner into the center. And you do not need to unfold these. Kind of tore that a little, but that's okay. Once it's done, we won't notice. I'm going to just trim it off. Got a little aggressive with my bone folder. Okay. Into the center. Use your bone folder. Okay, I did not get that close to the center. Okay. Okay, so now you've got a square. You're going to take that square and you take one side of it and fold it up to the middle so it meets right in the middle. It looks like that. And you fold that down and take your bone folder, crease that, and then open it back up. Flip it all the way around so you're on the opposite side. And fold that into the center as well. So it lines up with the center. Crease it. Open it up and do the same 2 things to the other 2 sides. Fold the next side in all the way to the center. Crease it. Open it up. And fold the last one all the way to the center and crease it. Okay, here's the fun part. Now, you're going to take it, face it away from you where you've got one of the flaps open, and then open another flap at the bottom. So it looks like this, kind of like a burrito, right? This is what I had an issue with and had to keep practicing. It's really not that hard. And once you get it, it clicks, but I had to try a few times, and I'll try to explain it to you the best way I can. You want to kind of lift the outsides up. So you're pushing up on the outside with your thumb, and then kind of squeeze in the inside corner. You've got the small square here. You want to squeeze that in. Whoops. You want this to fold in. This is what I had an issue with earlier. I don't know what it is with me in this corner. Once I get it, I get it. Oh, there, I got it just fine that time. This one's just folded on me funny. Oh, maybe if I stick the bone folder in there. Okay, there we go. I got it. Okay, so you got to make sure this is pinched in. So what I'm going to tell you, maybe this will help. You push in the sides, and then this square here, you've got a little square, pinch that in. That's got to be pinched in. And then you fold over this flap on the top and then bend the bottom. Just like that. And then you can take your bone folder and kind of flatten down that edge there. Okay, and then you've got your base for your box. All right, that's our box base. And then we're going to do the top, and it's really close to the same thing. We're going to, the struggle is real, I tell you. Fold it over on top. I did so many of those boxes yesterday, and I was getting to where I didn't have any issue with it at all. But of course, you get on camera and all that goes out the window, right? Sideways, and then sideways again. Fold it in half. But like I said, I will give you a chance to take a picture of the directions. I don't know if that'll help you out more. Maybe I'll do it a little better the second time around. So you folded it in sideways and then sideways in half again. And then you're going to take a corner and fold the corner into the center. I'm the kind of person that has to do anyway. I can hear it as many times as I hear it. It doesn't really help me until I do it myself. I always tell my husband that. He works in IT. He'll come and help me with my computer, and he'll just fly through it and do it real quick. And I'm like, that's great. But next time, you're going to have to do it again, because if I don't do it myself, I don't learn how to do it. Okay, and we'll fold the last one into the center. All right. Now we're going to, the only difference on this one, you're going to take your half, but instead of folding it all the way into the center, give yourself about 1/8 of an inch and fold it across. Use your bone folder. You need real good creases on these. Okay, and then open it and do the other side. Give yourself about 1/8 of an inch again. Now, if later on your box lid is too loose, that means you gave yourself too much room. You'll know that going forward. If it's too tight, you didn't give yourself enough room. But I find about 1/8 of an inch to be a good amount for these bigger boxes. Okay, so we've got all of our sides folded. Yep. Point the corner to you. Actually, point the bottom to you. Open up one flap away from you and another flap towards you, so it looks like a burrito. Okay, take your sides, fold them in the palm of your hands. Take that square and push it in. Now pull that back flap towards you and fold it over. Easy peasy. Okay, see if we can do it again. Pull it up with your hands, push that in, fold it over. Crease that a little bit more. And the other side too. Okay, and there's our box. Cute, right? I just love them. So you can see all the different ones. This one was made out of a calendar. So let's say I've got, oh, that's the bonus tip. And that's what I wanted to share with you. You can make these out of calendars. This one was made out of a calendar. It was made out of this calendar, actually. So you can see I used this one for the bottom, that pretty picture. And then the top was a picture of a butterfly. Isn't that cute? This wine one was made out of a calendar, a wine calendar. It had, a friend make this one for me, actually. And she had 2 of the wine calendars. So she used the same page for the bottom and the top. And then this one I made out of a wine calendar as well. It had a different top and bottom. And then, of course, this was made out of 12 by 12 scrapbook paper. This was made out of 12 by 12 scrapbook paper. And this was made out of 12 by 12 scrapbook paper. But you could just put a little bow on there or a little tag and it would be perfect. But I really like this little size. This would be perfect for a pair of earrings, a ring, a necklace, any kind of jewelry. Something like this, you know, perfect to put a junk journal tassel or something in. It doesn't have to be junk journal supplies, just any kind of gift you're giving somebody. Gift cards would be great as something to put a gift card in for someone. But this is a smallish calendar, but wouldn't that be a cute top cover? Or, let's see, any of them would be beautiful, really. Oh, koalas. That would be pretty. I know I have a bird somewhere, calendar somewhere. Oh, that would be so pretty. That would be a beautiful picture for a box. Anyway, I hope that you have a chance to make some of these. I'd love to see the pictures if you do. You can hashtag Junk Journals by Jen gift card boxes, and I'll put the hashtag on here. And I hope you enjoyed it. I think they look great. Remember to subscribe if you haven't done so already. I'll link the 1,000 subscriber contest below. Come visit me at my Etsy shop, which is also linked below. And take care until next time. Bye, everybody.